What's up, everybody? Justin here. We're in the shop today. Sorry I haven't been posting many videos. I do have a couple in the pipeline that I just finished editing that'll be coming out. But really, I've been spending some time kind of getting the parts and pieces together for the next big boat project, which is this guy right here. So this is a Lumar V700 vertical windlass that I picked up used off of eBay. And we're going to make a project video series where we install this on Calypso, my Cdory 22 cruiser. So like I said, I got this thing off of eBay, obviously used. It does have a brand new motor assembly, but we're going to make a video where we go through this thing, inspect the gear train, inspect all the parts and pieces, and then do kind of a rebuild. One thing that's super cool is Defender Marine reached out, and they're going to hook us up with some parts and pieces to kind of support this. So they carry a full line of parts for these Lumar windlasses, and then of course they've got everything from anchors, electrical components, everything we'll need basically to make this install happen. They're also supplying us with a cool like Delta style self-deploying anchor. So that way this thing will just drop off the bow roller of Calypso when you lower the windlass. My current Fluke style anchor won't do that. So I think this will be a 3-part video series that we'll be working on. First one is going to be just kind of a refurb video where we talk about, we'll tear this thing down and inspect it and rebuild it using parts from Defender. And then the second video in the series is going to be a full install, so that's going to be a little scary. We're going to have to cut some big holes in the boat. Here's the cut template here, actually. So that'll include cutting some big holes in the boat, bolting this thing in, and then doing some wiring. And then the third video in the series, I think, will just be an on-the-water review where we talk about how the windlass works and how it really improves the usability of the boat. So the Cdories are pretty tricky to get up to the bow to drop the bow anchor, and so I think this is going to be a huge, like, ease of use improvement for the boat. So really looking forward to this video series. Big shout out to Defender Marine for kind of hooking it up with some parts and pieces for this. If you haven't checked them out before, they're kind of like an online marine retailer. They have awesome prices and a huge selection of parts, everything from motors, electrical, electronics, you name it, they've got it. So check out Defender Marine if you haven't seen them before. And yeah, stay tuned. This is gonna be a fun build, and I'm looking forward to making these videos.